FlashForge Creator 3 is a fully enclosed FFF 3D printer with independent extruders, heated build plate, intelligent assisted leveling, and built-in camera. Internal structure parts from metal molds make the printer very robust and stable. You can easily transfer files with Wi-Fi, USB cable, and USB stick connection. The multi-languages built-in UI can let global users access without any barrier. The 300 degrees Celsius extruder can print many high-temperature materials like nylon and carbon fiber. The supporting materials like PVA can achieve an outstanding result with independent extruders.